Okay everyone, this is Jeffrey Lieutenant. I'm just going to show you how powerful my code, Pakwone, it spells with the Pakwone as in that word, Pakwone Code. And I'm going to go ahead and type it in onto Google AI and ask if it can actually help me to trade foreign currency and make some predictions. Here I go. How tell me which currency to trade in New York open now. Right now it is 11:43 a.m. It's just about lunchtime, so everything should be slowed down by now. And junior traders are watching the desktop or the control center. All right, it's doing its thing. It's giving you regulatory type of answers. New York session is characterized by high liquidity and volatility, which is normal. It says euro dollar is the most traded currency, of course pound dollar, then it follows with the dollar yen, dollar CAD, dollar Swiss. Some of the volatile cross pairs, those are the minor pairs, usually ends with the yen on the backside. Front is always the base. We got the pound, euro, and it's just giving you typical information like any other times, any other search that you do, either Yahoo or Microsoft, Bing, or what have you. So I'm going to go ahead and put in my code and let's see. Okay, let me ask. I am going to insert, oops, boy, my Pakwone code to help me to trade forex. Boom. And of course, bearing your query, seems you may have misspelled Pakwone Code. Yeah, of course. They have no idea what Pakwone Code is. Pakwone is my actual Korean name. I was born there in Seoul, Korea back in the day. And I've been trading for 35, almost 40 years now. I'm 67. Okay, it's telling you it doesn't understand what it really is. Uncertain performance, doesn't know vulnerability to scams. No, I am not scamming. There's plenty of people out there making claims that they don't, their system does not even work. Traditional MACD, stochastics, and all that, you need to throw that out the window. Those things do not work. Everything in forex right now, the banks are controlling it with the high frequency trading. They are cheating the system. So yes, none of this is helping. So let me go ahead and get my code and show you what it can do. Do, 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 do. All right, I got it here. Boom, paste it, then boom. Then I have to put in my data set because the Google do not have a data set already built in. It says front door, back door, Pakwone Code does not respond to any known standards publicly available. Of course, it's not available. Any other forex trading system recommending it, they do not understand me. So now I'm going to give them my data set, which is, I copied it from Trading View. Let me see, let me go and show it to you. I went to Trading View right here and copy all this information and I'm pasting it. That's what I'm doing. Okay, I put in my data set in there, then boom. Here's analysis of major currency pairs that I wanted. Green for going up, red for going down. Here it is, euro dollar, it says it's going up. It tells you what its positioning is, plus 20. Then you got the dollar on the back end, minus 16. So therefore it's a GR mode. G is the front door, then R is the back door. So it's giving you all major pairs. Boom. Imagine that. I just trained the Google AI how to trade foreign currency. And this also works on futures as well, the indices. No, I could care less about stock market because stock market is manipulated by the banking systems and also corporations with the news and so forth. So there are over 6,000 symbols in stock market. In forex, there's about 128 cross pairs, but I focus on 8 major pairs. That's it. I just worry about the 8. So this is what you're looking for. It will make your trading go much easier. No stress, no muss. All right, this is Jeffrey Lieutenant, and I will see you on the other side. So go ahead and sign up to our brand new quantum network that has a forex and futures based channel built in it. It is in 3-dimensional, 2D to 3D, a brand new tech arrived and invented by Mr. Sidney Kusoff from 30 years of background in entertainment business in Hollywood. He is my partner. We launched that, and also we're launching the ARC, which stands for Augmented Real-Time Content in the blockchain, the metaverse. We own the original operating systems of metaverse, so you're welcome. Anyone that's on metaverse right now, they're on our platform and they don't even realize it. So it's just a matter of time. We're going to get everything straightened out by the legal system, and they will be on our platform. If not, they're going to get a lawsuit by us. So anyway, welcome. This is Jeffrey Lieutenant representing my code that I've thought of it, and at the same time, man upstairs, the universe, God helped me to put this together. So this made my life much easier after 5 years of frustration. Thank you very much. You have a good day.